Hi guys, my name is Crystal Francis. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to this Quick Tip Tuesday. So what we're going to be talking about today is the most used torture device in history. It's the eyelash curler. Okay, so the biggest tip that I can give you when you're working on your lashes is make sure to use this torture device. If you pinch the skin or pull out hairs, it's painful. Let's be real, it's painful. But what I'm going to do for you today is I'm going to curl the lashes on the right side, and then I'm going to put mascara on both top lashes so you can see the difference between lashes that have been curled and lashes that have not been curled. So you know how to do it. I'm going to look in this mirror over here to the side. If you don't know how to do it, we're going to have a tiny little lesson for you. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to open the torture device all the way, and then you're going to set it onto your cheek, this bottom part here, right there on your cheek, and you're going to get your lashes into the open hole. You see there's a hole there. You want to put your top lashes in that hole. Okay, and you're going to want to lay this part, the metal, this inside part, this curve, you're going to want to lay it up against your eyelid, right at the base of your eyelid, right where the lashes start, right where they grow out. And now you're going to want to squeeze the eyelash curler. Now, right now it's just closed. And I'm going to turn, you probably can't see because the lighting and my camera is all tragic, but I'm going to turn and hopefully you can kind of see a little bit of what's going on here. You can see if I get a little bit closer, my lashes right here, you can see those. Anyway, and I'm going to begin to really squeeze and put pressure, and makes my eyes water most times. And as you can see, this one's watering. Ooh. Makes my nose run. When you get too close, that can happen. So I didn't pinch my skin or pull out hairs. It just, that much intensity in that area around the eyes. Mine are pretty sensitive to everything. So I'm going to do it again and squeeze. Now, a lot of people will tell you the goal is to curl the lash or to make the lash curled, okay, like so when you blink, okay, so that it's not completely straight out. You want him to kind of curve up. Well, yes, that's true. If you have long enough eyelashes to make sure that that happens, you can crimp down the length of the lash. But if they're short and you want them to look lengthened, you're just going to want to do it there at the base of the lash. So now if you'll hold on, I'll be right back. I'm going to put some mascara on. This one is the one we used, the torture device. And I'm going to put my mascara on. I'll be right back. Oh, hold on. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm back. So 2 coats of your favorite mascara. Mine I just happen to use is Covergirl Flourish by Lash Blast. And it's brown, but it's fine. You can see, just as I look pretty much right at the camera, you can, when I'm looking at myself in the viewfinder, it's like I have mascara on these lashes and not on these. But as I look up, you can see I have mascara on these lashes. But see, when I look at you, you can see these are visibly longer. And that's why I didn't use the black, because black lengthens. That's why I used the brown for the thickening, so that it would show you a more true side by side where you could really tell. I mean, you can really tell. I think it's a pretty big difference. Anyway, so that's your Quick Tip Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you have issues with your lashes, make sure to, use this most dangerous, torturous device that has been used for many, many long time, years, and been used to continually torture for beauty. And that's partially why a lot of people say pain is beauty, beauty is pain, because a lot of times what we do to create what looks beautiful to us is and can be painful. But sometimes it's worth it. And once you learn how, it is definitely worth that extra length that you get when you use this. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this Quick Tip Tuesday, and I'll see you later in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.